What other kind of snacks do you see in there?
Red, green.
Yeah, what other kind of snacks do you see in there? You see cheese and Go-Gurts and carrots for snack
And juice. And juice.
And what's over here? It's your favorite fruit. What's that?
Apple.
Apples, that's right.
Apple's red, not red.
Yeah.
Apple's not.
Are you gonna have it? Are you gonna have a yogurt for a snack? Yeah.
I like that it gives us water
It gives you water.
and ice.
Yeah. Can you show me how it works? How easy it is to use?
So that's the ice, and this is the water. That's where you get water.
And if you have a big cup, huh, you can do a measured fill.
Yeah. But if you do ice type, then it gets small ice or big ice.
Yeah, cubed ice. Show me what's in the snack drawer. Yeah, Rowan already showed me, but
This is the snack drawer, and it has some yummy sweets.
there's some yummy things in it. Okay, show me what's in the freezer.
And the fruit in the freezer. Some of my favorite stuff.
Oh, corn dogs. Yeah, let's open here.
Waffles.
You let's see how
And
that
there's
basket
some
comes out.
Ice cream and some more stuff and peas.
Yeah. And then show me what's in our fridge. What do we keep in our fridge?
This.
Has lots of room for storage, huh? Mommy likes these for milk because it's easy to pull them out. Thanks for telling us about the new fridge.